be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step your foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks I never would have seen.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright? Now, if you've been following the channel recently, you know how I've been doing it. I've been doing a forum video. Last video I did was on these all-white forums right here. Then I would do a Lebron video. And then I would do a forum video. And then a Lebron video. Alright? So if the last video was on a forum, that means this one is for the proud members of the Lebron gang. Alright? So what we have here is a Lebron 18 low box. Okay, we've seen this before. This one's a little bit thinner than normal, but we've seen this box before. Alright, we've seen it a few times. Alright, I think I said the last time I did a Lebron 18 video was that will probably be the last one that I get, but I had to go for these. I had to. These is hard right here. This is one of my favorite designs on a previous Lebron model, so I had to go ahead and go for these. But these are the Lebron 18 low, and the colorway is white, black, Baltic blue. Alright, what I did on this one, though, I did switch it up. I went with a size 13 instead of a 14 on this one. I got these from Foot Locker, and the 14 was showing up on the site, but you weren't able to order it. It's still there. It's showing as you can click on the 14, but when you click on the 14, nothing happens. So I went with the 13 because I said sometimes the 14s feel a little long. Maybe the 13 is going to fit perfectly. So that's what my logic was, and I went ahead and ordered these. So let's go ahead and get into it, man. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Ralph TV. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very dope shoe. Left shoe first, baby. Ooh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. These are the Lebron 18 low in that Stewie Griffin colorway. Alright? That's not the official name for these. I want to say these are called the cartoon art, but we know these are the Stewies. These are the Stewie Griffins. Alright? But these are very nice, man. Very dope. I like the way that they actually have them looking as if they are cartoons on your feet. Very nice. Nice touches on these, man. If you look at how they got the white hitting off the blue there, man, they nailed these. Look at just the white where the swoosh is. That looks animated. That really does actually look animated to me, man. On the back, you have your Lebron logo, the L23. You know what I mean? There's also a Lebron signature here on the blue area. You may not be able to see that, but there is a Lebron signature underneath there. On the back of the tongue is nothing, But if you look on the inside, you'll see even more of that Stewie Griffin and Family Guy influence there with the LJ logo, the King's crown and everything. And that is clearly based off of the Family Guy animations and their fonts on the show. All right, red insole with the blue Family Guy font and lettering and everything in there. White going around the inside. Nice cushioning. Very nice cushioning. You can see that right there. Comfortable on feet. On the tongue, you have your LeBron James signature. Alright. And there is a king's crown right there at the bottom of the laces. Alright, speaking of the laces, they are blue with black designs going through. Is there anything on the tongue? Nothing, just a continuation of the laces going through there. Alright, as you can see, straight down the center, yellow, you got some hits of black, and then the red represents Stewie's overalls, if you guys watch Family Guy. Okay, yellow along the eyelets there. Nice blue hits. Very nice, man. The blue goes all the way around. And then on the bottom, you have your black. And then a red LeBron James logo there with a little bit of tan and white there at the top. Alright. As you can see, on the inside, Nike React logo, because this is all Nike React up front here. And then you have your air unit going around the back and the side. Alright, very dope, man. Very dope. But y'all know what we gotta do now. We gotta take these boys on feet. Alright, so here we are on feet with the LeBron 18 low, the Stewie Griffins. Alright, now let me tell you, I had to relace these because as they come naturally, that was not gonna work. That was not gonna work. Like a size 14, I could just put the size 14 right on, and that's how they're gonna work for me. Alright, but the 13s, the width was a little snug. So what I did was unlace them. You see how there's that hole there? I unlaced them and put them to the wider hole, and it's not as snug. Now it's like a perfect fit. Alright? Perfect fit. It's weird, man. My shoes, they fit differently in different sizes, man. It's like you would think it would be a 14 across the board or 13 and a half across the board or something, but sometimes you got to go lower, you got to go higher. It's weird, man. I don't understand it. But yeah, pretty dope. Pretty dope. Very comfortable. Very comfortable this way. Alright, let's get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. And let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Yo, definitely a dope shoe. If you can get them, I think they're actually still available on the foot sites, the Nikes, the Champs, Eastbay, stuff like that. I think they're still available. So if you are interested in these, you like what you're seeing here, go ahead and pick them up, man, because I definitely recommend these. I like the LeBron 18 lows actually better than the LeBron 18 high, the normal LeBron 18. So, man, it's a rare case. Normally the lows aren't better than the highs, but in the case of the 18s, the lows are definitely a better overall shoe than the LeBron 18 high. Did I mention that there is a Nike swoosh here on the back? Let me see if I can get close enough. There's another swoosh there. It's right there. But yeah, the 18 lows of the 3 pairs that I have now, definitely better than the LeBron 18 highs for sure. For sure. But that's gonna do it for these, man. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.